guys, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. Today we've got our trunk club in, and it's a really cool time to get a trunk club because everything in Nordstrom, everything, the entire store is 25% off. This trunk was being shipped, the light is really bad, and no matter which way I turn. When this trunk originally shipped, it was right before I was supposed to go to Grand Cayman, so they kind of rerouted it, put it on hold, so it actually arrived this Friday, and when I got it, everything was full price in here, and then I opened the app and boop, 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 25% off came off everything. So, and I believe they're running a promo. I think if you sign up right now for Trunk Club, I think you get $50 in credit to get started. I will double check that. I know if you guys use my link, I get $25 or $50. I think it's $50 they give you. It's a lot that they give you if you use somebody's link. So if you do get a trunk club, then when you share your link with friends and family and they do it, they'll get $50 to start too. It's a great little way for everybody to get some free jewelry. Jewelry. I just did a jewelry video, that's why. Free clothing. And with 25% off, you really can't go too wrong with it. So I don't know about you, but these are extra special to me right at this moment because I'm feeling stuck in the house. It's driving me crazy. I'm going a little stir crazy. We don't realize how spoiled we are till everything's shut down. So I'm gonna go ahead and start trying these products on. It comes in the big trunk. I already kind of opened it. I'm gonna just show you a little sneak preview. When you open the trunk, it's like this. There's some fun things in here too. And I got all the plastic because each thing was individually wrapped in plastic, so I got all of that off. But when you open it up, it looks like this inside. So it's just like a whole trunk of clothing. So I'm going to start getting myself pulled together, try everything on, and we'll get right started, and then we'll go over prices. Okay guys, I've got 4 pieces on. We're gonna start with this little blazer. This is the Drape Collar Knit Blazer by Caslon in a gray heather. Regular price is $69, but it is going to be 25% off of that. I think I have a couple of these blazers. I'm not a big fan of the drape. I have some Caslon blazers, and this seems to be poofing up a little funny on both of the shoulders. This is a more casual blazer. I'm going to back up so you can see where it hits. This is not my favorite. I don't think I'd spend the money on this. It's not bad. I just prefer this part not be on here. So this is probably not going to stay in my collection as I don't need it. And as you know, I like ones that come in a little bit more, that are a little bit more fitted, almost like a peplum or something like that. I think that's a better look for me. I also do have on this top, which is, I believe, the lace and crepe top by Halogen and Ivory, regular $59. This I really do like. I'm gonna take this blazer off in a minute for you to see. And I have the Catherine Distressed Boyfriend jeans in a size 8. These are $89. And I also have on the Caramel sneaker by Tom's in black, and they are $49.50. Okay, I had to pause. We had some distractions. So I think that the blazer is going to be a no, but I am going to back up here so you can see the whole outfit, if I can get Chopper out of my way. So we have the little kind of tank under here. These are the cut from the cloth Catherine Boyfriend jean. I don't like these. I do like the whiskering. Like, I like the difference in the color pattern on them. I don't like how loose they are at the bottom. I'm just not a fan of boyfriend jeans. And then I have the little Tom sneakers. The Tom sneakers I like. They're really actually quite smushy and comfortable. I actually do like those. So I'm going to take this off so you can see the rest of the items a little better. This is beautiful. This now I have my bra on, but because the detail I have a white bra on is so extravagant, you really can't see it. It's a beautiful like crochet lace detail, and it comes down the front. Looks like it's a little crooked. There we go. I do like this. I really, really like this. I can't tell if it's see-through in the back or not. It might be because we're getting a lot of sun, but I would wear this. This to me is not something I would probably wear on its own. I'd probably wear it with a cardigan. In fact, I have Oops, I have a little cardigan. I'm here. I have this little cardigan that is from Celio. And like, so I would probably wear it with something like this or with like a cute blazer that I like. So let's just see what it looks like with a different type of a cardigan. This is one of mine. Yeah, see, that's more me. This is just like a little boyfriend cardigan. It's one of my favorites. And it's just like that, that's probably how I would wear it, or I would wear it, like I said, with a blazer. In fact, I've got some beautiful, like I've got a teal blazer. I have a baby pink blazer, like a blush color. And I think for spring, the blush blazer would be really beautiful with this. And then I could carry this into the fall. I have, this needs to be cleaned, which is why it's up here, but I have that velvet blazer. So I could wear this with the velvet blazer, which was in one of my other trunk clubs, when we go back into the winter and fall. So I do like this top. I think it's quite versatile. I think I'll get a lot out of it. The jeans fit great. I mean, like hips and they're a little big in the waist. I'm between like a 6 and an 8. I'm in a weird size right now. Sometimes I'm a 6, sometimes I'm an 8. It depends on the brand, and cut runs big. So on cut, I'm more closer to a 6 right now than an 8. These are also boyfriend, so they're gonna fit looser. So what I like about these jeans, I like the color distribution. I like the whiskering pattern on them, but then I just don't like the bottom where it's real loose and baggy. And I don't know where Cut's boyfriend jeans are supposed to sit. Like where the cuff's supposed to roll. Like, do you roll them up more? Is that where you roll them? What shoes do you wear? Like, I don't really know. I'd have to do some homework to find out. This is where they were rolled, so I just left them where they were rolled. But being 5'2", I'm not sure that they look good on me. So those are a no. I did want to bring in the Converse sneakers a little bit closer so you can see they're just black and with the crisp white on the bottom. They're really, really not Converse. I was just watching somebody else and they got Converse. The Toms. These are little Toms sneakers. So a little fuzzy on them. So these are fabulous. These are really fabulous. And how much did I say these guys were? I think they were, oh, they're not even that much. Okay, they were $49.95, and that's before the 25% off. So they're going to be cheaper than that. So these are in the maybe pile. I don't know. My concern with buying sneakers is I don't wear them. In the summer I wear sandals. In the winter I wear boots. Very rarely do I wear a little pair of like kickers. I just don't wear them very often. So, and this is a definite maybe as well. I like this. I think that this would be a good staple for my closet, and I really, really like the detail on this. I think it's beautiful. This is more of a cream than a white. Now there's another white blouse that came in that I'm going to show with these jeans. So hold on one moment. Okay, this blouse, let's see if we can find it, is perfect. It's called the Perfect Blouse. I actually think I have this in green, like I'm pretty sure I have this in like a teal green. And it says that it's Curves 360 by NYDJ, and this is white. This is $89. I have a white bra. You will see in a minute. It's see-through. I think you'd have to wear something under it, so that's not so perfect. It's got little pleating details here, and then of course I do like the notch collar. This is one that stays up. That's really nice. So, but as you can see, I have a white bra on, and you can see right through the shirt, including where the pants are. So you can solve that problem a little bit by just doing a little tuckaroony there. So that helps with the jean line. But you'd have to wear probably a nude bra under this. That's the only thing to give you more of a consistency. And then the sleeves, they're just notched, just like it matches this here. So it's a little just a notch detail, which I do prefer that it is not, I do like that it's not a tab. I don't know if you could roll these. I guess you could probably leave it like that. That's kind of I don't know if they'd stay up. Yeah, they're not going to stay up. So these are probably best left just down. So let me turn around, show you guys the back. So there's that. Okay. So yeah, this is a nice, it's definitely a nice blouse. Be good for like to tuck into skirts and things like that. It's really lightweight and loose. It's nice and cool. I think I might just need to try this on with a nude bra and see what happens if I use a nude bra, if it's more if there's more coverage at that point. So, all right, I'm going to switch bottoms now, and we are going to try something else on. So hold on. Okay, I like most of this outfit. The top that I'm wearing is it's by Halogen, and it's the bateau neck sweater. Before the 25%, it's $49. And it's, as you can see, it's got some pretty bright colors in it. It's the neckline goes here, and then it starts the color patterns. On the bottom, I really, really like these bottoms. These are the Absolution high waist ankle skinny pants. When I pulled them out, I thought they were jeans. When I put them on, I realized they're like a dress pant. And I don't think they're see-through, which is a bonus, and they're stretchy and they're high-waisted, and there's nothing wrong with them. I love every single thing about them. They are regularly $68, so they're going to be somewhere in the $56 range, something like that, 52, I don't know. And so I am considering getting these pants. And then on my feet, I have, and don't mind my toes again, I don't have any of my normal stuff done, the Impressed Lace-Up Sandal by Steve Madden in black in a 7.5. They are $91.95 before the discount. Now, the sandals, I'm standing up here so you can hear me about my first impressions, but the sandals are very, very feminine and pretty, but they're kind of hard to put together. They lace up around your ankle. I don't know how much I would grab for them. They do feel like they are kind of comfortable though, so that's nice, but these pants are amazing, and so is the sweater. So let me back up and show you. Here's the sweater. It comes in around the waist and hugs you. The pants come all the way up past your belly button, and they do have a zipper and a button. And let me back up and show you those shoes. They're blowing me out a little bit. All right, so these shoes come up. Can you guys see that? And you have to tie them behind your ankle. They're very pretty, but they're a little bit complex. So, but I do like everything else that I'm wearing. Here's the back. These are cute. The whole outfit's cute. So far, these are probably my two favorite items that I've received in the box. And I really, really like these pants. These are something I could wear to work for the spring. So, as long as every time I wear white pants, I always get like ink on them, so I'd have to be really careful. But all right, so that is the first one with these pants. I think the only other thing I have to try on is there's a different like blue shirt that I have to try on. I did get a pair of black leggings. They're like on sale for like $23 or something. I'm not going to try the leggings on, but I am going to try on the other short shirt. It's like a blue, and it's got like a kind of a yellow thing going on it. So let me show you that next. Okay guys, so this top that I have on is by High Sugar Plum Limon Floral Yoke Sleeveless Top by Gibson, and it's $58 before discount. So this is cute. It's almost got like a little baby doll feel to it. The only thing is you can see what's happening right here with these tops. This part is so soft, but it doesn't like it just sucks, the boobs suck it in. So there you go. But this is beautiful. This is all like, what's that? Like embroidered. It's all embroidered on here. It's like white, yellow, and red, and it's very pretty. It's very, very comfortable, and it looks good with the white jeans or pants. And Robert liked these white pants too. I just went upstairs to see what he thought. He said they look good. So very pretty. It's just this like issue. I'd have to get like I don't even know if I'm not wearing a push-up bra, so I don't know if a push-up bra would even, it might make it worse. I don't know. Let me know if you have this issue and if you have any hacks. Maybe if you do, share in the comments below, because I would love to know how to stop the boob material suck in moment that's going on here. So anyway, here is from behind. I still have the same shoe shoes on. Okay, so guys, I think to me the winners in this box are these pants, and I like that. I really like that sweater. Oh, there is one more thing. I got a pair of sunglasses. Let me show you those. Okay, do I look like Favor? These are the sunglasses Favor likes to wear. These are Quay Australia in brown. These are $55. They're quite big for my face, I think. I don't mind big sunglasses. These are just bigger than I would normally wear. And the other thing that I got that I did not try on was the Go-To high-waist leggings. These are just the Nordstrom brand. They were $29, and now they're like $23 or something like that. So they're just really simple little black leggings. I think I might keep those because I need a pair of black leggings. But I think the winners really for me are these white pants and that sweater. I like both very much, and so I might keep just those two items. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought, what your favorites are, and what you thought about the trunk in general. I thought it was an okay trunk, certainly not the best one I've received, but you know, Nordstrom always gives me high quality, like good standard pieces. I tend to grab a lot of their pieces over and over again. They're just simple and well made. Now, is everything well made? No. I've had a couple things from Nordstrom that, you know, hems have come out, or they've pilled, a couple of cardigans that have pilled really badly. So you do have to be careful with what you're buying. But as I've been buying things, I've been kind of learning which brands I like and which I don't. So let me know your comments below. And like I said, if you've got a hack for this issue, definitely let me know how to fix that. And I will link my Trunk Club referral link below in case you want to get your own Trunk Club. If you can't go shopping, bring the store to you, and you can have fun trying things on in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to drag your kids out. Just try it on, see if you have clothes to match whatever they send. They do send you a preview, so you get to preview your items, and you can decline items that you don't want sent. Maybe the price is too high, or maybe the style is something you don't like. You can also switch colors if there's options. Like say this shirt came in different colors, I would be able to pick the color that I wanted. And if I decline things, you have the option of just sending what you picked from what she originally sent, or she'll leave it open for you. You can select for her to put additional items in your box. Those items will be a surprise, although you can see them on the app, like when she's working on your trunk, but a lot of times you don't check it, and then you get those additional items added into your trunk, and they're just a little fun surprise in there. So, in fact, this one might have been one of those items. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you again in the next one. And until then, guys, have a wonderful, blessed, safe day. Bye. Take care.